guys, Kalila here, or Callie. Oh yes, I am recording right after I finished the last video. Alrighty, if you aren't caught up yet, okay, here is a refresher. I have finished all of the panels for my Sand Dollar Polo. Remember, I'm doing a crochet along. If you want to join, it is going on until September 20th. If you want to actually enter to win prizes, share your pictures and reels. The stories won't count because they disappear, but share all of your progress and stuff on Instagram, pictures, videos, and use the hashtag SandDollarPoloCal, C-A-L, and you're entered, okay? You don't have to finish a project. All you have to do is start it. Alrighty? Anyway, I finished all 3 panels of my Sand Dollar Polo. So now I'm going to slip stitch them together. I'm going to do the button band, do the collar, and then weave in the ends, okay? Weaving in the ends is the star of the show for this video, okay? I literally just have to do the collar and button band before I weave in the ends because I want to count them and everything. Listen, I'm just doing something. It feels like fun. It feels like fun to me, okay? So that's what I'm going to do. I need to pin these together though. So let's do that first. This is my last skein of main color yarn. I need to use it to slip stitch all of the panels together, crochet the button band, and crochet the collar. Will I have enough? Of course. Of course. Okay? I know how to do calculations. Alright? So it's gonna be fine. Alrighty. It is slip stitched together. Look at this. Oh my god. I am so in love. Let me put my arms through it. Look at that. Look at that. Perfect. So now, see, I left some space for the collar. Now I'm gonna work on the button band. I'm currently on the collar, so I did the collar band and now I'm on the actual collar. Do you want to see how much yarn I have left? And I have 12 more rows to go. Will this be enough? We will see. Guys, I have like 3 rows left. And I think I'm just going to finish off here because this is how much yarn I have left. That is not enough yarn to get through this entire collar. Honestly, the collar is long enough. Okay, what's 3 more rows, right? And I measured it, and once I do this row, because I need to do the edge piece with the last row of the collar in a contrast color anyway. And once I crochet with this color, it's going to be the length that I have in my pattern anyway, so it's actually perfect. I have literally enough. I counted my stitches. No, I counted my rows from my previous project, but I guess I was crocheting a little looser with this one, so it's not the exact same, but that's fine. It's just going to be 2 rows, a 2-row difference, which you will not be able to tell at all. So I'm very, very happy that I was able to win Yarn Chicken because this is it. That's it. Oh my god, I cannot believe that it got to that point. That is absolutely insane. But I'm glad that I am finishing. I'm on the last row, guys. I'm done. I'll be done, and then I'll weave in my ends. I'm just tying my strands together. So I'm gonna finish this tonight. It's currently 9:42 p.m. I'm gonna finish this last row and then weave in the ends tomorrow. Hello, good morning. It is 9:35. I just rolled out of bed and I have all these ends to weave in. So I finished crocheting everything. Let me put it on. Boom, bam. Everything is done. Crocheting. It needs to block out so it can lay flat and stuff. But now, if I turn this inside out, or whatever, look at all these ends that I need to weave in. So I'm gonna count all of these ends, see how many ends I have, and then weave them in. Why am I counting them? I just want to see how many I have because that's fun. 141 ends. That's how many I have to weave in. Listen, that's fine. I did this on purpose. Okay, I know that I can weave it in as I go. I don't need any help. I don't need any tips. Don't give it to me. I don't need it because I did this on purpose. Okay, I did it on purpose. Now I'm gonna weave it all in. I'm just very excited I finished the crocheting part. Now I can just chill, relax, watch some YouTube videos, weave this in, and have a good time. Okay, okay. Hi guys, it is, I don't know how many days later. It could be a week, could be a few days. No, I think it's almost a week. It's about a week. I just came, you may see that I look tanner. I would say burnt. Look at my nose. Yeah, because I just came from the IndyCar race in Laguna Seca. And in Monterey, and I got sunburnt. Okay, it's been a couple days since I've been home, so it's been healing a lot, but oh my gosh. It was, okay, anyway, forget that. I'm back home, and I am going to finish up weaving my ends in here. This is the last project that I'm going to work on before I start designing my next crochet design. It's going to be a cabled cardigan. I need to finish weaving in these ends and then block it so that I can actually put some buttons on it. So I'm just going to do that and I'll come back when it's done. Woo! I am done weaving in these ends. It actually wasn't that bad. I'm just ready to go and eat. It's currently 12:15 p.m. I haven't eaten breakfast yet, so I'm gonna go and eat. I just wanted to get this done, okay? I wanted to get this done. I spent this entire time just watching TikToks and weaving in ends. So now that I'm done, I can definitely go and block this, but I'm not in a mood to block right now. I also edited a video and posted a video. I need to edit a short form, but for now, I'm just gonna leave this on the side. I'm probably gonna block it, yeah, tomorrow. I don't know, we will see. Maybe later this week, I don't know, bro. I just don't feel like blocking it right now because then I have to go and squeeze it out and do this or that. I don't want to do that. I'm just gonna go and start on my new project, but I am so happy with how it turned out. It's so perfect. So now I will see you guys when I block it sometime later this week. Hello guys. Oh my gosh, new hairstyle. I know. I was tired of short hair, so I was like, I need a little more length now. Anyway, I'm about to go and block this. Is this the same shirt I was wearing in a previous clip? I don't know. It's like 2 weeks later, by the way. Yeah. So I've been done with this for a while and I have just been focused on other things. Like oh my gosh, I need to dive back into my crocheting and knitting and just like, anyway, but it's been nice. It's been nice taking a little break. But anyway, I'm back. I need to block this and then put the buttons on it. I don't even know what buttons I'm putting on here. Oh my God. I don't know what, anyway, we'll deal with that after. Let's get this into the water. All right, guys, I got my sink, my portable sink that I use to block some eucalyptus. Can you see that? Yes, eucalyptus wool wash. It's no rinse, so you don't need to squeeze out any of the soap or anything. I'm gonna fill this up with water, pour some of this in there, and then this will go right in here. Right, usually I put more blocking mats, but I didn't feel like it, so this is what it's looking like, and we'll see how long it takes to dry, and then I'll try it on. Alright, time to finally put buttons on here. I'm using bigger buttons than I used before because the other buttons were just too small. Alrighty guys, I finished blocking this like 2 weeks ago. So, hey, you guys wanna see what it looks like on me? I actually added 2 more buttons because I said I added 6, I added 8. So I added a top one here, bottom one here, because this is actually not for me. It's a gift knit. So I want the person to be able to button it as far up as they want. I personally would keep it like this. I would wear something underneath, but they can button it up here, they can button it up there. I like to have a lot more openness, basically, but here it is. It looks so freaking good. I love it so much, and it blocked out beautifully because I was like, this is turning out a little smaller than I thought maybe, I don't know, but then I blocked it, and merino wool never fails me, okay? That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's been a little wild ride doing this, but it's been great. I've enjoyed it so much. Oh my gosh, my watch. Didn't have my watch on. It's because I just got ready. Anyway, I will see you guys in my next videos. I have been working on my new design, which is a cabled cardigan. You guys will see that. That will be the next batch of videos that I'll be posting. I think I'll break it up a little bit. Okay, my camera's crooked. I think I'll break it up a little bit because if I put it all in one video, it's going to be the longest video on the planet. Not on the planet, but you know, it's going to be really long and I want to break it up. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next ones. Bye! Also remember, you can also get this pattern down below in the description box. Okay, goodbye.